subtraction. We know that subtraction is taking away a number or a quantity from other big quantity or a number. Usually we take away a smaller number from a bigger number. Let's learn some of the words that we use for subtraction. The words we use are subtract, subtraction, take, take away, minus, which is the symbol that denotes subtraction, decrease, fewer, leave, difference. Questions that ask us to subtract. How many are left? How many are left over? How many more is a number than the other number? How many fewer is the number than the other number? How much more is a number than other number? How much less is a number than the other number? These would be any numbers. Here is a treasure chest, and on the treasure chest there is a 4-digit code or a password through which they have locked the treasure chest. Now work out the values of A, B, C and D in these numbers to unlock the treasure chest. 65 minus 58. Let's do the backward or forward counting. So I can count from 58 up to 65, which gives me 7. So A is 7. Let's solve the B. 41 minus 2B is equal to 12. So 41 minus of which number gives you 12? Let's work it out by taking away 12 from 41. So the answer is 29. So B would be 9 over here. Similarly, 86 minus 79. I can do the forward counting from 79 to 86. So we get that C is 7. Now, next one. I can subtract 39 from 67. So I get 28. So over here we already have written 8. The number is D is 2. So let's find the code. A is 7, B is 9, C is 7, D is 2. The code is 7972. Let's learn the subtraction by two methods. One method is finding the difference method. Over here, the two numbers need to be close to each other, like this one. So over here 76 is close to 81. This method is used only when the numbers are close to each other. So we can count the number to find the difference between the numbers. That is, I start from 76 and count forward to get 81. So like this we count and find the difference between the two numbers. So 81 minus 76 is 5. With the same method, let us work out the other problem. 62 minus 58. First, I write 58 over here. I start counting in ones. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So each time I add a 1 to each number. So the sum of it is 4. So 62 minus 58 gives me 4. This is finding the difference method. The second method is called as a counting back method. Sarah used the counting back method to calculate 74 minus 13. In this method, we keep taking away some amount from the bigger number. So over here 13, that is a small number. So first from 74 I can take away 10 and then take away 3 more. I'll be starting from 74, that is the bigger number, and I take away 10 from it, giving me 64. And then I need to take away 3 more to make it 30, that is minus 30. So I keep taking away one at a time 3 times to give me 61. So 74 minus 13 is 61. This is a method of counting back where we start from a bigger number and take away in tens and ones. Let's work out for the next number, that is 62 minus 11. Here I start from 62. So I know that 10 plus 1 gives me 11. First, let me take away 10. So I take away minus 10, which gives me 52. And now I take away minus 1, which gives me 51. So I say 62 minus 11 is 51. Question number 3. Choose a method to solve these subtraction problems. On page number 11, do work out by choosing your own method, either counting back or finding the difference method, and do explain your method. Question 4. Fred leaves his house with 99 cents and walks to the shop. He needs 15 cents to buy a snack, but Fred has a hole in his pocket. Each time he passes a star sign over here, he loses that amount of money from his pocket. This map shows all the possible routes from his house to the shop. Find the route to the shop so that he will still have enough money to buy his snack when he gets there. So let me explain again. This is the Fred's house. He leaves the house with 99 cents and walks to the shop. We find a shop over here. He needs 15 cents to buy a snack. But Fred has a hole in the pocket. Each time he passes through the star, he loses certain cents that is written on the star. So when he passes through this star, he loses 29 cents. So find a route or a path where he can reach the shop with the 15 cents to buy a snack. Do work it out. Question number 5. Number sentence stories. Haley thought of a story for 86 minus 49 is equal to 37. Let's check a story. A shop has 86 loaves of bread. They sold 49 loaves. So 37 were left. Here is a number sentence story on subtraction. Create your own story on subtraction for these number sentence.